Hey there, EO Toronto members. Jason Gaynard here, co-chair to Craig Morantz for EO Learning Toronto. We just got back from Mark McEwen's behind the scenes, and we were actually maxed out. We were maxed out about 70 people. As usual, we try to squeeze everybody in, those on the wait list. We had 12 people on the wait list. We had a total of 82 people join us for the Mark McEwen behind the scenes, and I'm glad they did because it was an amazing event. We originally split off into groups. Some went with one of Mark McEwen's head chefs, and another group went with actually Mark McEwen himself. So they both got some different ideas, different notes, and some members kind of compared them at the end of the night. I was one of those people. But fantastic event, November 27th. It's a kind of unknown event. It happened last year. It's called the Open Space. It's also known as the Unconference. It was actually our highest rated event last year, and it's really an interesting concept. How it works is we would get to the event, and there would be a board, and there would be different pieces of paper on the board, and people can write up topics, actually similar to this, and people can write up topics from internet marketing to creating a culture to hiring and firing, you name it, whatever is timely and whatever is they're stuck on in their business or whatever the case may be. And you break off into groups, and you basically you go per topic for a certain period of time. So the first set of topics you'd go for half an hour, then you go back, pick another topic, break off into another group, second topic another half an hour, that kind of thing, till we do about 4 or 5 topics. I've been to these personally before, and they're fantastic, so it's definitely worth checking out. We're about half capacity right now. The more people, the merrier for an event like this, so please sign up if you haven't signed up already. Next event after that, December 8th is the family event. If you have younger children, even if you don't have younger children, come out to that event. Should be a blast. January 8th is actually Rick Green presenting on ADD. And we just added this, Ali Mooney, February 20th. It's actually a social. It's replacing our Christmas social generally. So it's actually a social. So please bring out your spouse. It should be a good time. I haven't heard her speak personally, but both Bashir and Craig. So she's actually a fantastic speaker, and she's highly regarded within the EO chapter. So come out to that, and I will see you guys on November 27th.